Let's see how we can plan and exit a motorway easily and smoothly. In Sweden, you'll find specific traffic signs that guide you for an upcoming motorway exit, with helpful sequence of large blue boards with bold white text. You need to keep an eye on the signs from the far ahead distance and plan for a smooth or seamless motorway exit. Since this is a 110 km/h road, it is important to grasp the information as quickly as possible because you will only have a couple of seconds to think about it. So let's go through this whiteboard on all the informations and how you process it in this section. So let's imagine I am getting ready to exit for Knivsta here, and we'll see all this information one by one. This board is known as advanced direction signs or preparatory exit signs. You can see the white arrows that shows the direction. There is also an exit number and the distance to the exit, and here 1000 means you can exit 1 kilometer ahead, and that's why it is 1000 or 1 kilometer ahead, because you will get little extra time to prepare. Then after some time, little bit ahead, you will spot another this big blue board, and only 500 meter ahead or 500 meter, and you will be able to see the after that you will be able to see the exit divider from a distance along with the deceleration lane. So first 1000, then 500, then you will see the exit divider. Just remember one thing, since you are on a high speed road, you will have very little time to think and process that information. Don't slow down just because you want to read the information on the blue board. Signal early or indicate early and move into the deceleration lane and exit smoothly. Thank you. All the best for your driving. Bye.